What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Viet and thank you for watching. Right now I'm pulling into BMW of Fort Myers. We're gonna have these seat emblems, as you can see here, replaced under factory warranty. They're really prone to cracking, the stock ones, but you can see some scratches and swirls in the emblems. We're gonna be replacing those with black emblems with the M3 logo in it, so I think it's gonna look a lot cleaner. We'll definitely get you guys before and after shots. So we're leaving the dealership now. They did not have the emblems in stock, but they did order them and they'll be in tomorrow. So we'll catch up with you guys then. All right, day 2. We're back to the dealer. They have the emblem in stock and we're gonna drop off the car and probably pick up a loaner. All right, here's a loaner, convertible, boys. 230i. Little mom car. The dealership gave me a car with no gas in it. All right, as you guys saw, I'm in a 2020 230i with the B48 engine in it. It is a white exterior with the brown interior leather. And it also has a drop top. Definitely feeling like a mom right now, but this'll do. Alright, so my car will be ready tomorrow or by the end of the day today. I'll let you guys know, but I'm definitely gonna enjoy this convertible. Why the hell not? And I also copped this fresh ass Beamer hat. Alright, it's the 3rd day. The car is ready. I just got the text from my service advisor. We're on the way to pick it up right now. We are in that 230. The visibility in this car is trash. I think it's just a convertible. Yo, but this car is super fun to drive. The B48, the power band is like super linear. It's really smooth. It's a lot different than the N20. I like it a lot, actually. I was definitely ripping on it last night. Don't tell them. Yo, this digital cluster is actually cool as hell. That's another thing I like about this car. I do not like the drop top or the convertible. I've definitely decided that's not for me. Like, it's super nice in here and spacious, but then the convertible top just takes away your blind spot. And I don't really like that. Alright, about to pull up to the dealership. We'll catch up with you guys inside. Clean ass M4 convertible. Got an M6 over there too. All right, so we're back in the M3. Unfortunate news, the dealership ordered the black logos and they did not fit for some reason. So they went ahead and ordered new silver ones and put those in, as you can see here. Overall, I'm not mad about it. If I want the black ones later on, like Tommy L Garage or Keys Motorsports, I'll replace them. But right now, as you can see, there's no cracking. So I'm not mad about it. They're clean.